Hello, children. How are you? You must be enjoying summer with your family. What's your favorite thing during summer? For which? I scream, you scream, we all scream. Yes, it is ice cream. Therefore, today let's learn about a poem by name Ice Cream Man. This poem was written by Rachel Field. She was an American poet and author. She was born in 1894 in New York City. As a kid, she contributed articles to St. Nicholas magazine and went on to study at Radcliffe College. Let's see this poem. What is cold, sweet, and creamy, and wonderful to eat? Everyone's favorite treat, especially on a hot summer day, is an ice cream. And everyone's favorite person might just be the ice cream man. Here is the poem. When summer's in the city and bricks a blaze of heat, the ice cream man with his little cart goes trundling down the street. Beneath his round umbrella, oh, what a joyful sight! To see him fill the cones with mounds of cooling brown and white, vanilla, chocolate, strawberry, or chilly things to drink from bottles full of frosty fizz, green, orange, white, or pink. His cart might be a flower bed of roses and sweet peas. The way the children cluster around as thick as honeybee. Before we going to study this poem, let's see the difficult words. Blaze, bright flame of fire. Trundling, moving on small roadways, slowly. Mounds, heap, pile. Frosty fizz. Chill drink making a hissing, bubbling sound. Cluster, gathered around, group of similar things. Children, can you recollect the sight of an ice cream man coming to your lane, your street? Okay, tell me, which is the popular season for ice cream? Yes, it's summer. So during the summer, we see ice cream carts in our street. Okay, how is the weather during summer? Look, a brick's blaze of heat. Children, do you have idea of bricks making? At any time, have you passed through that place? Ask your parents or grandparents, they'll tell you. When bricks are made, they need to be baked. They're all piled up and they're baked in an oven which is very hot. Here, Rachel Field is comparing summer to a heat which can be used for making bricks. See what she says. When summer's in the city and bricks a blaze of heat. She says the heat is so much that with the blaze of this heat we can actually bake bricks. That means it's really very hot. The ice cream man with his little cart goes trundling down the street. You must be bicycling in the evenings, and you can really pedal it fast. But this ice cream cart won't go that fast. It will be trundling. It will be going slowly, moving slowly on a small, broad roads. He goes trundling down the street. Not only that, he also keeps shouting, ice cream, ice cream, ice cream. So, the ice cream man comes in summer, very hot day, and he'll keep trundling. He'll keep moving slowly down the street, screaming, asking children to come and buy. Beneath his round umbrella, oh, what a joyful sight! This ice cream cart is covered by an umbrella. You can see in the picture, you see this is the cart where an umbrella is shadowing it. So he can keep himself from the heat of the day with the help of this umbrella. Okay, when you look at under umbrella, look, beneath his round umbrella, oh, what a joyful sight to see him fill the cones with mounds of cooling brown and white, vanilla, chocolate, strawberry ice creams. Okay, children's favorite item during summer is ice cream, and they love this ice cream man. When he comes to the street, children will be so happy to see various flavors of ice cream. See, beneath his round umbrella, oh, what a joyful sight to see him fill the cones with mounds, heaps, so much of cooling brown and white. Some ice cream is brown color, some is white color. It's both brown and white. Okay, what flavors are there? You see vanilla, chocolate, strawberry. By the way, what's your favorite flavor, children? Do you like strawberry or vanilla or chocolate or something different from this? All right. So these are the different flavors of ice cream. Look, he sells ice cream and he also sells something else. Just see, or chilly things to drink. Do you see? When this ice cream man comes, he takes ice, he sticks to the stick and he pours on the top of it different colors. Do you remember? With flavors, green, orange, white, pink. You ask for a watermelon flavor, he'll put green one. If it is a mango, he'll put yellow, sometimes pink. Here, the ice cream man is selling both ice creams of different flavors and also cool drinks. From bottles full of frosty fizz, green, orange, white or pink, could be anything. Okay. His cart might be a flower bed. Children likes ice cream man so much because he brings different flavors of ice cream and different flavors of drinks which can be poured, the colors which can be poured on the ice. His cart might be a flower bed of roses and sweet peas, the way children cluster around as thick as honeybees. Children, do you see in the flower garden, we see flowers sitting on it. They'll be collecting nectar. Okay, if you go to especially rose garden in Bangalore, you will find number of rose flowers there. There are several such gardens in the world where you find number of flowers, beautiful flowers of different colors, and people visit there, flock over there to see. But here, children are compared as honeybees, as how honeybees sit on roses of different varieties and they keep sucking the nectar. So also you see children in the picture, they are enjoying the ice cream. Those who got, they are happy, are enjoying. Those who didn't get, those who lost, do you see how they are so sad? So children's favorite thing is ice cream. The poem shares the joy of the speaker when she sees the ice cream man riding on his small cart near her street. She is overjoyed when the ice cream man fills the cones with different flavors of ice cream. She also likes the watery ice cream sticks of different colors. The speaker compares ice cream cart with a garden of flowers where children play and enjoy. In the poem, The Ice Cream Man, the poet describes the children's love for ice cream. The ice cream man visits the streets on hot summer days. He brings cart with a round umbrella. He brings ice cream in different flavors. He fills the cones with cold and creamy ice cream. He also sells colorful cool drinks. The ice cream cart is just like a flower bed, while the children surrounding are like honeybees. If we have a chance, children, enjoy ice cream and the drinks of different colors. Enjoy as many flavors as possible apart from vanilla, chocolate, strawberry. Even the drinks with different colors apart from green, orange, white, pink. Tell the cartman, ice cream cartman, to bring many more flavors and have a wonderful summer. Thank you. Bye bye, children.